So edge is planted with gourds. Base level amaranthus, red color amaranthus. In between, walking path is there to access the crop. And then, so the lower sunlight is covered, morning sunlight, by the amaranthus. Upper layer is by the loofah and all that gourds. And then organic manure, cow manure is added. So soil health is healthy, plants also healthy. And then in the edges, red amaranthus, which fetches immediate income. Every few days it can be harvested. Nice rich color is there. So entire row of that is there. So like that at the lower level. Then one more path. So one more bed here. And then in the middle, Basal alba is there. The amaranthus flowers also looking very beautiful. ಅದೊಂಚೂರು ಕಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜನ ಹೆದರೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಕಳೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ. Then this is called Tondekai. I think Coccinea grandis, some name is there for this. This one. This gourd is a local favorite. This Tondekai. This leaf also is edible. Then bitter gourd, that is also there. So numerous crops have been grown simultaneously, and then it is taking care of one family's income. They're proud, independent people who believe in earning their own money, not begging the government to buy their stuff, like what we see the Punjabi farmers are doing. People can learn from these examples how much you can do in an organic way without ruining the soil and all, and earn quite a decent living. And it's all organic also. That was a nice part. So that's the farmer. His family also, they all gather together in the evening, harvest the crop. Aubergine also is there. ಇದು ಮಾರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಗ? ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಂದಾಪುರಕ್ಕ? ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವ್ರ ಸುಖ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.